Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about need for AWS and why should we use it. Benefits of using AWS is flexibility, easy to use, secure, reliable, cost effective. The need for cloud computing is the basis of understanding any cloud providers. The main need for cloud computing is cost saving. Yes, with cloud computing you can reduce hardware and software cost. You don't need to maintain a server. Day-to-day issues with server may be hectic if the company grows faster. All license or renewal are taken care of cloud providers. With cloud computing, you can access your data and server anywhere, anytime. You don't need to put extra care for securing your customers' data. It will be also taken care of by cloud providers. Your data will be always on good hands.